Jenny. Good evening, I'm Jenny, and this is Insightful Informer. In a recent turn of events, the renowned coastal destination of Acapulco in southwestern Mexico finds itself grappling with the aftermath of a devastating blow. Just yesterday, the powerful Hurricane Otis struck the region, cutting it off from the rest of the country. A Category 5 hurricane, Hurricane Otis unleashed its fury upon the coastal town of Acapulco on Wednesday, October 25th. The consequences were profound, as this city, home to some 780,000 inhabitants, was abruptly cut off from the rest of the nation. Tragically, the authorities have confirmed at least 27 casualties, and the extent of the damage remains unknown due to the communication blackout. Citlali Portillo, the administrator of a local tourist residence, shared her perspective amidst the chaos. She described the situation saying, "The material damage is devastating. We have no water, we have no light, but we are safe and sound." Hurricane Otis formed with alarming speed, catching residents off guard. Located on the Pacific coast of Mexico, the region is no stranger to the threat of hurricanes, with the season spanning from May through October-November. Our thoughts go out to the people of Acapulco during this challenging time. As the situation develops, we will keep you informed. Please stay tuned to Insightful Informer for the latest updates on this story.